All right, guys, if you are watching this Michael Saylor video on YouTube, this is a scam. You guys need to stay away from this. This is not Michael Saylor promoting anything in this live stream. This is someone that has captured a clip of a video of Michael Saylor, and they're playing a clip where they've used the voiceover over and over again and trying to influence you or convince you to scan in this QR code and send Bitcoin, promising that they're going to send you double back immediately. Guys, the world of crypto does not work this way. Let's see what he's saying.
And transactions can significantly enhance their experience and efficiency during the giveaway. For those new to Bitcoin, we've made participation in this giveaway exceptionally straightforward. Firstly, no prior Bitcoin experience is required. Here's the simple process. Watch the live broadcast. Tune into our live broadcast and keep an eye out for the QR code that will be displayed on your screen. Scan the QR code. Use your smartphone to scan this code. This will take you directly to our giveaway website, which is designed to be user-friendly and easy to navigate. Make a Bitcoin deposit. Once on the site, you'll be prompted to deposit any amount of Bitcoin. If you don't already have Bitcoin, you can easily purchase it through various online platforms prior to the event. Automatic doubling. After your deposit, our system will automatically send back double the amount of Bitcoin you deposited. We've ensured that the entire process is smooth and hassle-free, even for those who are new to cryptocurrencies.
All right, guys, if you send your Bitcoin to this QR code here, you will never see it again. All right, you guys be careful with your Bitcoin. I can't believe how many people fall for this. And this is like right up at the top of Bitcoin news on YouTube. So you guys be very careful. Now, on that note, if you do really want to earn Bitcoin, you guys check out this yield generating Bitcoin wallet. Check out my channel. Check out what people that are using it are saying about it, and verify before you just jump in and start throwing your money away, because these guys out here will scam you. All right, I just want to put this notice out here. I just came across it, and this is definitely something you guys need to be aware of. This right here is a straight scam. Stay away, guys. All right, we'll holla on the next one. Peace out.